Hola clase! Today we are learning how to use trigonometry to find one missing angle, getting one angle. I will give you a step-by-step how-to guide and then we'll make an example together. Before we start, a couple of things I need to know are my trigonometric reasons, sine, cosine and tangent, and how to rearrange. If your rearranging is a bit wobbly, there will be a video to help you with that somewhere. Now the how-to step-by-step. First, I will need to find which is the angle needed. Remember, I'm working with right angle triangles, so it will be one of the two that it's not a 90 degree. Then I will need to find two sides with values, with numbers that I know. And then use the trigonometric reason that uses both sides. And you'll need to inverse the sine or cosine or tangent, whichever you're using. Let's see it in an example. Here they ask me to find an angle called A, and I've got this triangle here, for which I know that this side is 4 meters and this one is 6. And here is the angle A. So in my head, remember, green is what I think, not necessarily what I write. I make sure, I know this is what I'm searching for, and then I begin identifying the sides. This one is the hypotenuse of the triangle, the side that does not touch the 90, and from this angle here, this is the adjacent, the side that touches the angle. Then I need to think about the trigonometric reasons. Sine of x is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine of x is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent of x is opposite over adjacent. And then I need to begin thinking for which one of these three I've got everything. Here I don't know anything about the opposite, but I do know things about the hypotenuse. No, not that one. Yes, I think I know the adjacent, I know the hypotenuse. Yes, that will work. I know both sides. And just to show you that the tangent couldn't work either, I don't know anything about the opposite, even if I know which is the adjacent, so I cannot use that one either. I use cosine. Now that I know which trigonometric reason to use, I can begin writing. So I write cosine of x equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and then I begin substituting. Cosine of A, the angle I want, equals 4 over 6, and then I need to rearrange. What I'm basically asking myself is which angle has a cosine of 4 over 6, which is the same as 2 over 3. And I write cosine inverse, cosine minus 1 of 2/3. Now I can do that in my calculator, and it gives me an answer of 48.19 degrees. So I can box it, so it's tidy and easy to find. Now it's your turn to go and practice. Thanks for watching.